Welcome to Silver Health Tips. What if I told you that the secret to maintaining muscle strength after 60 doesn't lie in expensive gym memberships, risky medications, or overwhelming exercise routines, but rather in 3 natural, easily accessible supplements that could be sitting in your kitchen right now? The truth is, millions of seniors around the world silently suffer from a condition called sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle mass that begins creeping in as early as our 40s but becomes more pronounced past the age of 60, and the impact is not just physical, it's emotional, too. From difficulty climbing stairs to hesitating before lifting grocery bags or playing with grandchildren, muscle loss slowly eats away at independence, confidence, and overall quality of life. But here's the good news: you can take control, naturally and effectively, with a few consistent tweaks to your daily routine. And in today's in-depth video by Silver Health Tips, we're uncovering the power of 3 science-backed, natural supplements that support muscle growth, ease inflammation, and help you bounce back stronger from physical activity. So if you've been eating right, staying active, yet still feel stuck or sluggish, don't scroll away. This could be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. Let's begin with the first and most scientifically established one: whey protein powder, a complete protein source rich in leucine, the key amino acid that directly activates muscle protein synthesis. And contrary to popular belief, this isn't just for gymgoers or bodybuilders, because as we age, the body becomes less efficient at absorbing protein from food, and even a seemingly well-balanced diet may not provide enough bioavailable protein to maintain muscle tissue, which is where whey protein comes in. It's fast digesting, complete, and incredibly effective when consumed within 30 to 60 minutes after light physical activity like walking, stretching, or using resistance bands at home. And what makes it especially powerful for older adults is its ability to rebuild and preserve lean muscle mass even during periods of inactivity or mild exertion. So adding just 1 scoop of grass-fed whey isolate or concentrate to a smoothie, a glass of almond milk, or even your morning oatmeal can go a long way toward improving strength, balance, and energy. And when selecting a whey supplement, always choose one that's free of artificial sweeteners, gums, and fillers. Your body deserves clean, supportive nutrition that works with your biology, not against it, and aiming for at least 20 grams of protein per serving can give your muscles the raw material they need to repair, regenerate, and thrive, which in turn helps you walk with more stability, stand with more ease, and feel less fatigued by midday. And the best part: whey protein doesn't just fuel your muscles, it also helps regulate blood sugar, reduce cravings, and support immune function, making it a powerful multitasker in your daily wellness toolkit. Now, let's move on to the second underrated hero of senior muscle support: collagen peptides, the structural protein that holds our bodies together, from skin to tendons to joints to connective tissues. And while most people think of collagen only in terms of beauty products and wrinkle creams, it's actually an essential component of musculoskeletal health, especially after the age of 50, when the body's natural collagen production begins to decline sharply, leading to joint stiffness, slower recovery, and that uncomfortable, creaky feeling after even simple movements. But hydrolyzed collagen peptides, specifically types I and III from grass-fed bovine or wild-caught marine sources, can be easily absorbed into the bloodstream and delivered where they're needed most to reinforce the scaffolding that keeps muscles, bones, and ligaments working in harmony. And the difference this can make is remarkable. Seniors who supplement with 10 to 20 grams of collagen daily often report improved flexibility, stronger joints, and a more confident sense of movement, which means fewer hesitations, more freedom, and a reduced risk of falls or injuries. And integrating collagen into your routine couldn't be simpler. Mix it into your coffee, soup, porridge, or smoothie without any noticeable taste or texture. And for maximum benefit, always pair it with a source of vitamin C like orange juice or lemon water to enhance collagen synthesis within the body. This tiny daily habit, over time, can restore the inner stability that supports every step you take, every item you lift, and every movement you make. And remember, collagen is not just about reducing pain, it's about enhancing performance and helping you reclaim the lifestyle you enjoy. whether that's gardening, walking, stretching, or playing with the grandkids. And if you're someone who's put off exercise due to nagging joint pain or fear of injury, collagen peptides could be the turning point in your journey back to strength, comfort, and confidence. Now, let's explore the third and final natural powerhouse in this trio, spirulina, a blue-green algae and one of the most nutrient-dense foods on Earth that's quietly gaining recognition among wellness experts and researchers for its astonishing benefits in muscle support, inflammation control, and whole body vitality, especially for those over 60, and while its appearance might be unassuming, a half teaspoon of organic spirulina powder is packed with all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein and a perfect choice for seniors who follow plant-based diets or simply struggle with heavy meat-based meals. And that's just the beginning. Spirulina is rich in iron, which is critical for producing hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that transports oxygen to your muscles. And if you've been feeling breathless during short walks or constantly low on energy, iron deficiency could be playing a silent role. But unlike synthetic iron supplements that often cause constipation or nausea, spirulina delivers gentle, plant-based iron that your body can absorb easily without digestive discomfort. In addition, spirulina contains calcium, potassium, magnesium, and B vitamins, all of which contribute to improved nerve signaling, muscle contraction, and cellular energy production. And if you've ever experienced leg cramps, twitchy muscles, or post-activity soreness, it might be your body asking for more of these minerals, and spirulina delivers them in a natural, balanced form. But one of spirulina's most impressive components is phycocyanin, a rare antioxidant pigment responsible for its vivid color and extraordinary anti-inflammatory effects, helping reduce the oxidative stress that accelerates muscle breakdown, joint pain, and fatigue in aging bodies. And studies have shown that spirulina also increases nitric oxide production, which relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation, particularly beneficial for seniors with cold extremities, slow recovery, or poor stamina. And incorporating spirulina into your routine can be as easy as blending the powder with orange juice, adding it to salad dressings, soups, or smoothies with banana and spinach, or choosing tasteless tablets for convenience. And while the taste may take some getting used to, the payoff is enormous: improved energy, faster recovery, better oxygen flow, and even support for the immune system and gentle detoxification, making spirulina one of the most comprehensive and affordable natural supplements you can add to your routine. But remember, quality matters, and due to spirulina's water-grown nature, always choose a reputable brand that's organic, third-party tested, and harvested in clean environments like Hawaii or California to ensure purity and safety. And as with the other 2 supplements, consistency is key. Spirulina, collagen, and whey are not quick fixes but rather steady allies in your journey toward better health, and taken daily over weeks and months, they can transform how you feel, move, and live after 60, offering you the freedom to enjoy your life fully, without the limitations that muscle loss or joint pain often impose. Ultimately, muscle growth and maintenance in your 60s and beyond is not about building a bodybuilder's frame or chasing youth. It's about supporting a body that moves with grace, strength, and purpose. And these 3 natural powders, whey protein, collagen peptides, and spirulina, offer just that, with scientific backing, ease of use, and a holistic approach to aging that empowers you rather than limits you. So if you've felt lately that you're slowing down, struggling to keep up with your usual activities, or losing the vibrancy you once had, try adding just one of these supplements to your daily ritual this week and see how your body responds, because sometimes, the smallest changes lead to the most remarkable transformations. And above all, remember this: aging is not a curse, and weakness is not inevitable. You have the power to nourish your body, support your strength, and extend your independence with just a few simple, natural choices each day. At Silver Health Tips, we believe consistent, natural support for muscle health after 60 leads to a vibrant, active life. At Silver Health Tips, we believe consistent, natural support for muscle health after 60 leads to a vibrant, active life. At Silver Health Tips, we believe consistent, natural support for muscle health after 60 leads to a vibrant, active life. At Silver Health Tips, we believe consistent, natural support for muscle health after 60 leads to a vibrant, active life. At Silver Health Tips, we believe consistent, natural support for muscle health after 60 leads to a vibrant, active life. At Silver Health Tips, we believe consistent, natural support for muscle health after 60 leads to a vibrant, active life. At Silver Health Tips, we believe consistent, natural support for muscle health after 60 leads to a vibrant, active life. At Silver Health Tips, we believe consistent, natural support for muscle health after 60 leads to a vibrant, active life. At Silver Health Tips, we believe consistent, natural support for muscle health after 60 leads to a vibrant, active life. At Silver Health Tips, we believe consistent, natural support for muscle health after 60 leads to a vibrant, active life. At Silver Health Tips, we believe consistent, natural support for muscle health after 60 leads to a vibrant, active life. At Silver Health Tips, we believe consistent, natural support for muscle health after 60 leads to a vibrant, active life. At Silver Health Tips, we believe consistent, natural support for muscle health after 60 leads to a vibrant, active life. At Silver Health Tips, we believe consistent, natural support for muscle health after 60 leads to a vibrant, active life. At Silver Health Tips, we believe consistent, natural support for muscle health after 60 leads to a vibrant, active life. At Silver Health Tips, we believe consistent, natural support for muscle health after 60 leads to a vibrant, active life. At Silver Health Tips, we believe consistent, natural support for muscle health after 60 leads to a vibrant, active life. At Silver Health Tips, we believe consistent, natural support for muscle health after 60 leads to a vibrant, active life. At Silver Health Tips, we believe consistent, natural support for muscle health after 60 leads to a vibrant, active life. At Silver Health Tips, we believe consistent, natural support for muscle health after 60 leads to a vibrant, active life.